Let's take a look at a Transformer Generation 1 Menasor Stunnicons toy. I've had this Menasor for a couple of years. I got it for a good price because the storage unit where this Transformer was at caught on fire, and as you can see, some of the combining pieces of Menasor melted, but the actual Stunnicon robots were in another storage unit and they stayed safe. So that it has some slight burn, and the purple on the fist and the feet is discolored. But I got him for I think 55 or so dollars complete. So you can find deals on toys like this, but Menasor is my favorite combiner. I think he just looks so cool. Even though he's the smallest combiner of the Generation 1 Transformers, he's only like 10 inches tall. But the Stunnicons were my favorite by far. Anyways, it's a cool toy. Thank you.